India's small manufacturing sector has been a powerhouse of innovation, job creation, and economic growth. With over 36 million small and medium enterprises contributing 45% of the nation's total industrial output, the landscape is buzzing with opportunity. In fact, some of the most profitable ventures in the country come from small-scale manufacturers who have capitalized on everything from traditional craftsmanship to the latest eco-friendly trends. These businesses may start small, but they often turn into major profit-making machines. Welcome to Business Dash. Today we will explore the top 9 most successful small manufacturing businesses in India. Let's dive in. 1. Agro-based manufacturing. Think agriculture is just about crops and cattle? Think again. The agro-based manufacturing sector in India is thriving, with small businesses focusing on products like organic fertilizers, cold-pressed oils, and dairy products making serious money. Why? Because people want organic, they want local, and they're willing to pay for it. These ventures bring in about $1.5 to $2 billion annually as consumers, both in India and abroad, increasingly seek health-conscious and sustainable food products. The best part? Starting an agro-based business requires relatively low capital but promises high returns, especially as export demand grows in markets like Europe and the US. With the global shift toward organic living, this industry is fertile ground for budding entrepreneurs. 2. Textile manufacturing. India's textile industry has always been iconic, but now it's cashing in more than ever. Small-scale textile manufacturers specializing in organic cotton, sustainable fabrics, and handlooms are tapping into the eco-conscious fashion scene, generating $3 to $3.5 billion annually. The demand for sustainable fashion is exploding, with consumers ditching fast fashion for more ethically produced clothing. This is where Indian textiles shine. Regions like Gujarat and Tamil Nadu are home to thriving small manufacturers whose fabrics end up in trendy stores across Europe and North America. If you can mix ancient craft with modern style, textile manufacturing can be your ticket to global success. 3. Handicrafts. Small businesses that produce traditional handicrafts, think handmade jewelry, pottery, and woven textiles, are riding a wave of global demand. Why? Because handmade, unique, and sustainable goods are in. These businesses are generating around $2.4 billion annually, exporting everything from hand-painted ceramics to wooden sculptures across the globe. For the global consumer who's tired of cookie-cutter products, Indian handicrafts offer a story and a sense of cultural authenticity. Small handicraft businesses, many run from villages, are becoming hot commodities in markets like the US, Japan, and Europe. You don't need huge machinery, just skilled hands and a creative mind. That's the beauty and profitability of this venture. 4. Paper bag manufacturing. With the world shifting away from plastic, small businesses in paper bag manufacturing are stepping in to fill the gap. As companies globally move towards sustainable packaging, India's small manufacturers are cashing in on the growing demand for biodegradable bags. This sector brings in about $300 to $400 million annually, and is growing fast, at a rate of 10 to 12% per year. With low raw material costs, mainly recycled paper, and rising demand, small-scale paper bag manufacturers are seeing profits soar. Whether supplying local markets or exporting to eco-conscious countries, paper bag manufacturing is a green business in every sense of the word. 5. Food processing. The food processing sector in India is experiencing a golden age. Small businesses manufacturing ready-to-eat meals, packaged snacks, and traditional Indian delicacies like gluten-free roti or millet-based snacks are tapping into the global hunger for healthy, organic convenience foods. This industry generates $180 to $240 million annually as more people look for quick, nutritious meals without the fuss of cooking. What's more, the government is keen to promote food exports, giving small-scale food processors a golden opportunity to get their products into global markets. Whether you're making snacks for the Indian diaspora or selling vegan curries to health-conscious millennials, food processing is a deliciously profitable business to be in. 6. Ayurvedic and herbal products. India's Ayurvedic heritage is turning into a massive profit-making industry for small businesses. With the world rediscovering natural remedies, herbal medicines, and organic wellness products, this sector is booming, bringing in $3.6 billion annually. From herbal teas to organic skincare, small manufacturers are meeting the growing global demand for chemical-free, plant-based products. Major markets include the US, Germany, and Australia, where people are willing to pay a premium for authenticity and health benefits. Start small with a line of herbal beauty products or wellness supplements, and you might just find yourself riding the next big wave in the global wellness economy. 7. Construction materials and modular furniture. India's rapid urbanization has created a booming demand for construction materials and modular furniture. Small manufacturers are producing everything from eco-friendly bricks to sustainable cement, generating an impressive $6 billion annually. With infrastructure projects popping up across India and a global shift towards sustainable building materials, these small businesses are perfectly poised for success. The modular furniture industry is also seeing rising demand as urban Indians look for space-saving, stylish, and sustainable home solutions. By combining affordability with innovation, small businesses in this sector are nailing their profits. 8. Leather goods manufacturing. India is one of the world's leading producers of leather goods, and small businesses in this sector are capitalizing on the country's expertise. Small manufacturers of leather bags, wallets, and belts are contributing to an annual revenue of $1.7 billion, with exports going to Europe, the US, and the Middle East. High-quality craftsmanship and affordability make Indian leather goods highly sought after in global markets. With a focus on handmade, eco-friendly leather products, small businesses can tap into the growing demand for sustainable fashion while enjoying strong export growth. 9. Plastic products manufacturing. Despite the global movement towards reducing plastic waste, small businesses producing recyclable and biodegradable plastic products are thriving in India. The industry generates about $2 billion annually, with demand coming from sectors like healthcare, packaging, and consumer goods. What makes this sector even more appealing is the innovation around eco-friendly plastic alternatives. As businesses around the world seek sustainable solutions, small manufacturers in India are developing new materials that cater to the changing market needs. This resilient industry ensures profits while contributing to a more sustainable future. Small-scale manufacturing businesses in India are proving that you don't need a huge factory or massive investment to make big profits. From Ayurvedic remedies to sustainable packaging, these ventures are turning modest investments into serious dollars, generating millions annually in sectors that are only expected to grow. Whether you're tapping into India's rich cultural heritage, embracing the global shift towards sustainability, or riding the wave of urbanization, these businesses show that small can be mighty, especially when you've got the right product and the right market. Ready to join the ranks of successful small manufacturers? The opportunities are endless, and the profits are just waiting to be made. If you found these small manufacturing business ideas inspiring, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Business Dash for more valuable content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.